If only we see things the way God sees things, things would be different. In social media, for example, we have the tendency to judge. Halimbawa, pag may nag-post ng isang picture o isang video, nag-upload ng video, we have the tendency na we judge what we see as the truth. Kung ano yung picture na nakikita natin, eto na yung katotohanan. We never realized that there is a bigger picture, that may mga scenes that is not captured by the video. There are things that are not captured by the picture. In other words, sana whenever we see things in a picture, for example, always be reminded that there are things not captured by the things that you are seeing. Because if only you believe on the things that you are seeing, that is a lie. There are so many behind the scenes that were not captured. And that is why when you speak about lie, it is not really a complete opposite of the truth, but it is saying that this is the only thing that happened without you expanding your vision and telling others there are behind the scenes I could not see. And I think this is what God wants us to do now. How I wish we could expand our vision nang sa ganon, hindi masyadong makitid ang ating pananaw. You see, ang mga tao judge by appearance. But God looks at the heart. Ang mga tao, we judge by the things that we see. But God looks at the heart. He stretches our vision even to a point that He could scrutinize not only what we see, but what we see through. Sana, ganun tayo. Hindi lamang yung superficial, yung panlabas, yung appearance. Do not stop on the things that you see. Always remind yourself, if there is a thing that you see, there is a bigger reality that what you see is inviting you to see, and that is not only what you see, but what you see through. Kaya pag nakikipag-usap tayo, do not only listen to words that they say, listen also to the things that they are not saying. Because the things that they say are actually inviting us to go deeper to their hearts. Can we also make judgments, not so much on the things that we see, but out of what the other speaks from the heart? Sa mundo natin na minsan napakarahas manghusga. Sa mundo natin na parang ang bilis-bilis to condemn people, especially in social media, when there is so much trash talks. I think it is an invitation for us, stop being superficial. Huwag na tayong masyadong mababaw. Kung sino pa yung mga mabababaw, sila pa talaga yung mga maiingay. Kaya nga siguro yung mga taong may lalim at may maluwag o kaya ang pananaw nila ay very expansive. They are never insecure. Kaya tahimik sila and they speak the truth simply, clearly, without any insecurity. If only we see reality direct to the heart and not to the appearance, things would be different.